We grow up with maps that color every inch of the continents and chart every coastline. It is easy to look at a globe and conclude that the age of discovery has reached its end. We point our telescopes outward, scanning the absolute zero of deep space to find alien worlds that operate outside our familiar laws of physics. But those maps only capture a thin layer of crust. We are standing on the outer shell of a massive vault, largely unaware of the mechanics functioning directly beneath us. Deep beneath our feet, the planet hosts phenomena that seem to belong to a work of speculative fiction rather than a geology textbook. To witness these physical truths, we have to look past the horizon and begin a vertical journey straight down into the unmapped layers of our own planet. The descent begins in the ocean. We leave the sunlit shallows and sink into the crushing, absolute darkness of the abyss. This cross-section highlights an inner channel flowing independently, a massive river entirely inside the ocean. High salt concentrations make this water significantly heavier, creating a physical boundary layer. These channels behave like surface rivers, generating rolling waves against the stagnant water above. This environment proves that the deep sea functions under a set of physical rules that differ from anything we see at the surface. Dropping further, we reach the unmapped trenches of the ocean floor, regions where the pressure is high enough to crush most human technology. This extreme environment produces physical anomalies our current sensors can detect, but science cannot yet identify. In 1997, hydrophones captured a massive acoustic event known as the bloop, a sound powerful enough to be detected across thousands of kilometers. Because of the scale and frequency of the signal, researchers initially considered the possibility that it was generated by an unknown biological giant living in the deep trenches. Despite our global network of sensors, the abyss remains an active mystery, capable of hiding colossal events in plain sight. Now we push past the ocean floor, tearing through the Earth's thin crust and into the solid rock of the mantle. Seismologists have discovered that the interior of the planet is not a uniform mass of rock, but contains massive, solid structures buried hundreds of kilometers down. This scale comparison shows the size of these structures. A subterranean mountain rises up, easily engulfing Mount Everest and dwarfing the highest peaks on the surface. We have mapped the mountains of Mars with high-resolution satellites, yet massive continents of rock remain hidden in the darkness beneath our feet. The journey ends at the absolute center of the planet, the Earth's core. During formation, gravity pulled heavy metals inward. There is enough gold trapped in the core to coat the entire surface of the globe. But extreme pressure and heat cause materials to compress and fail, creating an impenetrable barrier. This creates a unique geological situation. The largest accumulation of precious metal on the planet is permanently separated from the civilization that values it. The same physical laws allowing life to thrive on the crust protect the planet's deepest secrets, using extreme heat and pressure to ensure the core remains beyond our reach. We ascend rapidly, rushing back through the rock layers and the deep ocean before finally breaking the surface into the sunlit sky. Returning to the surface forces a change in how we perceive the ground we walk on every day. The Earth itself operates as a complex machine, driven by physical rules that remain largely hidden from the surface world. The most profound mysteries aren't found in deep space. They are located directly beneath our feet, proving that reality is far more complex than we can currently comprehend.